Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change interest in Pinterest. Well, one thing to note that this option or this method may not be the same in desktop. So make sure you are in your mobile app to follow this process. Now, let's get started. Just launch a Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account. Now click on this avatar icon at the bottom right corner. From there, we can see Home Feed Tuner as a third option. So let's select it. Now from these options, we're gonna head over to interests. So currently we are following these topics or have added these interests as our interests. So if you want to change this photography interest, just select this check mark again, and now we are no more following that topic. Similarly, if you want to add new topics, just click on this plus icon and we are following those topics or interests. Now you know how to change the interest in Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing interest in Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.